Technical seminar on online toll system and electronic toll collection system. These are the contents and here you go. Coming to the introduction part, nowadays in this world all are very busy with their schedules and don't want to waste much time. The collection of tolls on toll plaza is a time consuming process due to traffic congestion and it causes inconvenience to the public. Thus, thought for ATC and OTC system, that is online toll system and the electronic toll collection system. Here the priority is for time and efficiency. The need for manual toll based system is completely reduced in this method and tolling system works through RFID technology. Due to this, it reduces loss of fuel, use of paper and efforts in the management at toll plaza. Due to the online transaction, this system provides transparency to the whole system. From the user point of view, mobile application is provided. In order to see the objectives, the main objectives behind the system are reducing the longer waiting time in the toll queue, reducing illegal toll gate entry, improving the speed and efficiency of traffic flow and saving the driver's time. Area of the project is Internet of Things with mobile application. There are two types of toll collection system. One is existing system and the proposed system. Existing system. There are various kinds of existing gates like slide gates, swing gates, barrier gates, etc. These are the commonly used types. Apart from these, there are hydraulic gates, etc. All vehicle has to stop at toll plaza along the highway to pay the toll. One person collect the money and issue a receipt, after which gate is opened either mechanically or electronically for the driver to get through the toll plaza. Another is the smart card system, in which the driver show a smart card to access the data to the system installed on toll plaza to pass. And here are the pictures of existing toll collection system. There is a drawback of existing system. This type of system for collecting toll tax is time consuming method. There is long queue of vehicle at toll plaza, chances of escaping the payment of toll tax. Proposed system. This type system is simple in construction, provide automatic toll collection and vehicle theft detection using RFID tag. Electronic toll collection is the good example of this type of system. Proposed system. This is a simplified procedure to passengers to pay the tolls by making them automated and also provides intimation about vehicle. All these activities are carried using single RFID tag, thus saving the effects of carrying money and records manually. The RFID readers mounted at toll booth will read the prepaid RFID tags fixed on vehicles, windshield and automatically respective amount will be detected. Since every vehicle registration ID is linked to user account, toll can be deducted from the account bank directly. The route have been chosen by using the shortest path algorithm, where the user can select the easy and shortest way. Automatic toll collection. When the vehicle is going to enter into the toll plaza, the first aim is to detect the type and number of the vehicle. After the payment has been done, the message is generated by the server stating the time, cost and date the user travels, and it is checked by the toll person. After validation, the user can pass through the toll gate. And the second one is the theft detection. Our database maintains the whole list of vehicle owners, as the vehicle registration could only become successful after fixing the RFID tag on the vehicles according our proposed scenario. Thus, when an unauthorized vehicle does pass through the toll gate, it could be easily detected. The vehicle owner could report the vehicle theft to the person who hand over the particular vehicle's tag ID to the toll booth user. The person who is authorized to view the vehicle details on the monitor and could prevent the vehicle from getting passed through the toll gate and catch the theft red-handed. And this is the block diagram. The user, after downloading and installing the application, they can sign up. After logging into the app, they can select the source and destination. After selecting the locations, the app will generate the best 3 routes which were calculated by shortest path algorithm. The routes will be displayed along with the cost of toll gates, total kilometers and the places where these toll gates are situated. After this, the user can pay through online. A message will be generated by the server automatically. So near the toll gates, if the user shows this message, they are free to pass the toll plaza. And these are the software implementation. Login page, sign up page, choosing the source and destination, choosing the best path, and the message. These are the figures of proposed toll collection system. Now coming to the electronic toll collection system, ETCS is an electronic toll collection system that will allow user to make the payment of highway tolls automatically. In this, we do the identification with the help of radio frequency. A vehicle will hold an RFID tag. This tag is nothing but unique identification number assigned. This system is capable of determining if the car is registered or not and then informing the authorities of total payment, violations, debits and participating accounts. Technology behind the ETC system. An ETC system commonly utilizes radio frequency identification technology. RFID stands for radio frequency identification. RFID is an automated data capture technology that can be used to electronically identify, track and store information contained on a RFID tag. RFID technology was first introduced in 1948. The components of ETC system: hardware and software. Hardware system: RFID tag, RFID reader, GSM module, stepper motor, LCD, microcontroller. And the software language: Express PCB, Kill Microvision, NetBeans. RFID tag. As RFID tag or transponder consists of a chip and an antenna, a chip can store a unique serial number or other information based on a tag's type of memory, which can be read only, read write, or write once and read many. WORM, WORM. A chip that transmits and receives radio waves is called radio frequency integrated circuit. There are types of RFID tags, which are of two types: active RFID tag and a passive RFID tag. In order to see working of ETC system, as a vehicle approaches a toll plaza, the radio frequency field emitted from the antenna activates the transponder. The transponder broadcasts a single signal back to the lane antenna with some basic information. The information is transferred from the lane antenna to the central database. If the account is in good standing, a toll is deducted from the driver's prepaid account. If the toll lane has gate, the gate opens. A green light indicates that the driver can proceed. And the advantages of ETC system: entire process takes a matter of seconds to complete. Electronic system records transaction including the time, date, plaza and toll charge of each vehicle. Allow drivers to pass through the system at 55 miles per hour, that is 86 km per hour. This is the flowchart of ETC system. Benefits of the ETC system: RFID tag cannot be cloned, so cannot be cheated. Very efficient saving of time, wastage of money reduced, consumption of fuel is reduced, pollution is reduced to large extent, speedy transport, less congestion on the roadways, comparatively less maintenance cost. Applications and limitations: automated vehicle identification and classification, transaction processing, that is toll calculation, used to trace the vehicle if this system is centralized. Load sensing for long length vehicle becomes critical. If RFID fails, whole system fails. FASTag. In order to see what is a FASTag, FASTag is an electronic toll collection system in India presented by Exalox Solutions. FASTag is a toll collection system in India operated by the National Highway Authority of India (NHAI). It employs radio frequency identification technology for making toll payments directly from the prepaid or savings account linked to it. A radio frequency identification system uses tags or labels attached to the objects to be identified. The tag can be purchased from official tag issuers or participating banks. It also includes either fixed or programmable logic for processing the data. If the system sensors were placed above roads and vehicles get charged, a sensor identifies the vehicle number and the details were sent to the server, which is processed and toll is collected. But this technology has some risk. RFID technology is based on image processing technique in which number plate is scanned as an image. Afterward, further processing on that image is done and remaining tasks get finished regarding toll collection of particular vehicle. In the current scenario, number of lanes following FASTag is at most 1. Remaining are operated normally. Problem with this system is that if due to mud or any other reason number plate of vehicle gets covered and not visible properly, then sensors cannot detect it properly. So it raises a problem while identifying the vehicle and obviously toll collection cannot be completed. In order to see how the FASTag works by radio frequency identification technology. FASTag is affixed to the windscreen of the vehicle and the vehicle can be driven through the toll plazas without making a stop over for transactions. The tag is made available for purchase from the participating banks or official tag issues. Future scope: change in travel patterns, public transport improvements, traffic flow improvements, congestion reduction, better environment, revenue generation, increased safety. Finally, conclusion. We have presented the implementation of message generating system in this application of toll tax system. Toll collection stations allow the traffic to flow continuously and vehicle having been avoided stopping and starting again. This in combination with reduced fuel consumption has positive effect on environment, that is pollution created will be minimum. Implementing the messaging technology is also not so costly. Manpower and can Manpower and cash risk are also reduced to minimum. The system also increases safety as bottlenecks and long queues are avoided. The system is cost effective, time saving and easy to install. It provides easy way to toll collection and maintenance of the information. RFID is highly stable and reliable, automatically detects the identities of the vehicle, reading the items in motion and tracking of the vehicles can be done accurately. And these are the references. Thank you.